app called Text Grabber. And what you do with Text Grabber is you can actually take a picture of a document, and I'm going to do that right now. And then you select Read, and it renders. And it has turned that digital text into, it has turned the handout into digital text. And so then, because I have speak selection on and accessibility, I can hold my finger and push down on name, and I can select how much text I want it to read. And then I say speak.
Name, date, read to, go, and voice dream reader. Do you have students who want to read the same materials as their peers, like textbooks, magazines, and novels, but maybe on a lower reading level or have a vision?
Next, I'm going to show you a demonstration of different note-taking applications. I'm going to go back to my bookshelf and find a document that the teacher may have uploaded. I can record, I can start the microphone and record her speaking. So you see the microphone filling up, and that's actually me speaking. If I touch the hand, I can scroll through her notes, and she may say, remember this part, so I'm going to grab the highlighter and circle what she said. Remember to study student-created guided notes. I can also just simply mark an X there if she says, remember that student-created guided notes, this paragraph, you need to read it, it will be on the test. You touch the hand again and you scroll through the document. So that's an example of how you can use this from class to class. The storage in the app and the device is quite large, so many classes can be stored, and when the student goes home at night, they can click on the microphone again and then replay what was recorded, and it syncs to the notes that were taken in the document. The microphone and record her speaking. So you see the microphone filling up, and that's actually me speaking. If I touch the hand, I can scroll through her notes, and she may say, remember this part, so I'm going to grab the highlighter and circle what she said. Remember to study student-created guided notes. I can also just simply mark an X there if she says, remember that student-created guided notes, this paragraph, you need to read it, it will be on the test. You touch the hand again and you scroll. Mark an X there if she says, and circle what she said. Remember to study. X there if she says, remember. The X and the highlight a number of times so that you could hear how the audio syncs to those particular marks that I put on the document. So that's called Notability. You can import documents from Google Drive and Dropbox. This is a document that I took a picture of and brought it into the Claro app and chose optical character recognition, and it turned my handout into a digital document. And right now I'm interacting with it. I can choose different features. I can highlight, I can choose a text tool, so I could write my answer to a question on a test or a quiz. Answer to number 1 is Annie. And that's how you can type within the document. You can define words, you can search the meaning of a word, you can strike through, underline, and as I said, you can highlight.